Hello everyone. If you are a parent, teacher or a student searching for a resource which can help you out in this pandemic learning mathematics and science, so this is the best platform of which you can utilize to learn much more in a very engaging and easy way. So let's get started.
So we are going to study naming or reading large numbers. So I'm going to offer you 3 boxes full of candies, and after scratching here, you will get number of candies present in a particular box, and you can select any one box as per your choice. So let's scratch first. So I have scratched it here. This is a 5-digit number, right? Then here it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-digit number. And lastly, this is a number with many digits. So which one would you like to take? Definitely this one. But the condition is, whatever box you will select, you have to read or name number present on that. Or you have to tell me the number of candies present in a particular box. Now it becomes a little bit tricky. So for this we must know reading or naming numbers, right? So let's start reading or naming numbers. We can read or name any number in 2 different methods. First method is called Indian system, right? Indian system. And we have an international system also. That means if you know this particular system, you will be able to read like a person from Europe or America or any continent. You and that particular person will be reading same. So the next one will be international system. So which one would you like to read first? Which one? Let's start with Indian system. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll take this number, the first one, write it here. It's 4, 6, 3, 5, 4. Now, Indian system says the first thing we need to do is to include separators. What are separators? Include separator. Separator means comma. We have set a period, and now what we'll do, we'll separate. So for separation, we have to keep in mind that we'll start from right first, start from right. Okay, so this is the right of the number and this is the left of the number, right? So we'll start here. And now we have to put first comma, after 3 digits. Fine. We'll put our first comma after 3 digits. That means 1, 2, 3. So we'll put our comma after 3 digits. We have put it here. Then continue putting after every 2 digits. Getting my point? After 3 digits, we have to put comma after every 2 digits. So we have just 2 digits here, so we need not to separate it because we are just left with 2 digits. So when we have to read or name any number, it's very important to know about the period and the place of the number, place value of the number. So the next thing we are going to study or see is nothing but place value. So what we'll do, we have this number. Now we'll put it here. The last digit, that means 4, we'll take this 4 and put it here. 4, then it's 5, we'll start from the rightmost, then 3, 6 and 4. As you can see, we have a limitation of period. This is the first box, right? Then this is the second box. This is the third, and this one is the fourth one. So these boxes are nothing but periods, right? So this is a place value chart for Indian system. Okay, it's for Indian system. Now, the first period here is called ones period. This is called ones period. The second period here, this one, it is called thousands period. Thousands period. The third period here is called lakhs period. And the last period present here is called crores period. This is crores period. Now, how these periods help us read numbers? This is ones period, so the 4 comes in ones place. Ones place, this is tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. So how we'll read, if we have just 3 digits, 3, 5, 4, how we'll read? We'll start from 3. 3 comes under hundreds place, so we'll write 300. Then 5 comes at tens place, we'll write 300. 5 tens means 50. And 4 is at ones place, so we'll write 4 as it is, 54. Right? 354. But we have 5-digit number. So 4 and 6 come. 4 and 6, these are the 2 digits which come under thousands place. So we will write 6 comes under thousands place and 4 comes under 10,000 place. Now how we'll read it? It will be, when 4 is at 10,000 place, so it will be 46,354. So we have 46 in thousands place, so we'll write the name of this number will be 46 and the place is thousand. Then 300. And this is nothing but the name of this number. So if you want to select the first box, this box, so you just have to read the name of the number. Now, I know that you are not going to select this one because it has less number of candies. Now let's switch to this number. This is 266325. I'll write it here. 266325. We first of all, what we need to do, we first of all have to put comma, that means break it into its periods. So first we'll select 3 numbers together, the comma will come here, then 2. So these 2 and comma will come here. Now what we'll do, we'll take these digits and place in this box. So 5, 2, 3, 6, 6 and 2. We know periods very well. This is a ones period, this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. So in lakhs period we have 2 only. So how we'll name it? We will name it as 2, and 2 comes under lakhs period. So we'll write 2 lakhs, right? And then under thousands period we have 66. The 66 comes under thousands period. So what we'll do, we'll write 66 and the name of the period, that is thousand, 66 thousands, and then simply ones period is simple 300. Right? See how easy it is. If we break it into its period, it will be very easy for us to identify which number comes under which period. Now, the last box contains 1627165152. We have 1627165152. So what's our first step? to put comma or separate it. So first is these three, we'll put comma here, then every two digits, after every two digits. So we have this type of combination here. We can see this picture here. Now what we have to do, we'll check numbers here in the chart. So 2 comes first, then 5, then 1, then 6, then 1, then 7, then 2, then 6, then 1. This time every box is filled. So these first three are under ones period, then this is thousands period, then lakhs period, and then crores period, right? So how we'll read it? We'll read it as 16 crore 27 lakhs 16,152. Simple. Under crores period we have 16. So how we'll write this number? I'm writing it here: 162716,152, and we'll put comma after 3, then 2, then 2. Now let's name it. So 16 comes under crores period, so we'll write 16 crore, then it's 27, then what's the period? 27 lakhs, then it's 1000 period, and the number which comes under thousands period is 16 again. So we'll write 16,000, and then it comes ones period, which is 152. See how simple reading or writing number names is. So we have done reading or writing number in Indian system today. In next class, we'll discuss how to read or write a number in international system. Now, the practice time comes. So I'll give you some numbers and you have to tell me the number name of those numbers, okay? Or how you will read those numbers.
Now is the application time.
Application time. You can give these questions, you can take help through these videos and help your students, your kids out learning things. Now, if I give you 4256, can you name this? Just pause for a while and try to answer it. Okay, now hope you must have done it. Let's see you have done it correct or not. So first thing which comes very first is the comma or the separator. So we'll take last three numbers and put comma, and we have no more numbers here, so we'll just put one comma here. And now the time for period. So this is ones period and 4 comes under thousands period. So how we'll write number name? Or we'll write it as 4 in thousands period, so 4000. Now 256. 256. Okay, next question. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Can you tell me how many commas will be needed here to separate this number according to its period? Just pause and tell me what you have to tell me. Number of commas. How many commas will we put here? Okay, now let's check. So here we'll first of all take last three number. This is our first comma and then 2. So we need total of 2 commas. Students who have answered it 2 are correct. Now Can you tell me how many periods are there present in this number? How many periods? Two, three, four, five. How many? Correct. 3 periods. See. This is first period. This is first period. Then this is second period. And this is third period. Now, third period means lakhs. Second period means thousands. First period is of ones. Second period is of thousands. And third period is of lakhs. And fourth period is of crores. You just need to remember these 4 periods only. Crores contain only 2 numbers, 2 digits, lakhs also 2 digits, thousands also 2 digits. Only ones period contain 3 digits. Ones period contains 3 digits, then 2, 2, 2. Now, so for naming, now can you tell the name of this number? Just pause and write it fast, and then let's check who has answered it correct. Okay, now 12 comes under lakhs period, so we'll write 12 and then its period. Its period is lakhs. 12 lakhs, then it's 34. 34. But what its period is? Its period is thousands. Then we have a simple number, that is 123. So we'll write 123. And this is an Indian system. Okay, next one. Are you ready for the next one? 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 8. This is a big number, right? Now, my first question will be, how many commas will you need? How many commas? जल्दी जल्दी से बताइए. How many commas? Tell me fast. Then how many periods are present here? How many periods? Fast, fast, fast. Pause and do it fast. Okay, now back to the question. How many commas? So we'll be needing 3 commas here. Student who have answered it 3 is correct. Now let's see. First 3 digits, first comma will be here, then after every 2 digits. So how many commas do we have? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 commas. How many periods? So for periods, this is your first period. Now this is your second period. Now this is your third period. And this is your fourth period. So we have a total of 4 periods. Now the thing is of the third question which comes is naming this number. So what we'll do, I'm telling you the trick. What we'll do, we'll write period. First of all, we'll write crores. After crores, it comes lakhs. After lakhs, it comes thousands. Then this is of ones period, so we don't write ones as a period. So what we'll do, we'll write digits. Under crores period, crores is the fourth period, we have 12. 12 under crores period. Then we have 43. 43 under lakhs period. Then we have 21. We'll write 21 under thousands period. And then we have 328. And here we have the name of the number. So this is 12 crore 43 lakhs 21,328. As simple as this. So
Stop! Where are you going? Now is the practice time. So just go to the app and select all those questions related to the topic. Do you have app? If don't, go to the link given in the description box, click, download and practice.